Hello everyone, in this video we will explain the process of quarter panel wrapping. We will start by cleaning the panel itself and the material that we prepared. After we place the material with an excess of 4 to 5 centimeters from each edge, we start wrapping. We will wrap in 2 steps. We cut the release liner in half in vertical direction. First, we will wrap one half and then we proceed with the second half. After we secure the film in the center, we remove the liner, heat up the film a little and stretch it along the desired part. As you can see right here, we have a sharp corner. In order to wrap it, we warm up the film and pull it right over the edge of the corner. After we wrap the top horizontal part of the panel, we proceed with the wrapping of the lower part. To do this, we will remove the rest of the liner, heat up the film and pull it down a little. There is a sharp corner at the lower part of the rear lights. In order to wrap here, we will warm up the edges of the film, pull them in opposite directions, and stretch it to the very edge of the corner. We do the same for the top corner. After we have wrapped the main section, we start bending the edges of the film. Bending the film in the curved section may form a small tension in the horizontal direction. In order to get rid of it, you can cut off the excess film and start wrapping from right there in the curved section with a minimum tension. Additionally, to reduce the tension when wrapping the curved part of the quarter panel, we will warm up the film and pull it towards the recess. At the junction between the quarter panel and side skirt, we cut the film along the edge of the skirt. Thereby, we will leave an excess of film for the bends. We start wrapping the folded angle of the quarter panel from its corners. We heat the film, slightly holding it without tension. Then we will flatten out the folds from the edges toward the planar surface. We cut away the film above the gas tank flap area with an excess of 1.5 to 2 centimeters. After that, we will warm up the film and press it down to the edge of the sealing rubber. Once we wrapped up the film to the edge of the rubber, we cut off the film with an excess of 1 to 2 millimeters and tuck it under the rubber. After we have cut off the excess material, we slightly lift up the rubber and start laying down the film under it. After we have wrapped the whole section, we heat the film up to 100 to 110 degrees. As soon as the film cools down, we will trim the excess material. There is a sharp corner on the back side of the quarter panel. In order to wrap it neatly and without tension, we recommend making a relief cut. Wrap down the inner part and fold it around with the outer part of the cut. We do this to reduce the material's tension and prevent further peel off. After we have heated up and cut off all excess film, the wrapping of the quarter panel is done.